Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we will be guiding you on how to contact Thinkific support. We have the link to Thinkific in the description below so you can get a head start right after this video. Now there are some ways you could do this, but if you'd like to go straight to the point in contacting Thinkific support, you just simply need to go over to resources, whether you're signed in or not. You just need to click on resources, then you're going to click on help center. Now right here in the help center, of course, you could search for any topic. Maybe you're querying a point. You could search for that right here. But then again, if you'd like to contact the support, you just simply need to scroll down and here you can see talk to sales and contact support. Go ahead and click on contact support and this will take you to another help page. But not to worry because these are just additional options to help you out before actually contacting the Thinkific support team. Now this option will be available regardless of your plan. So if you scroll down, you see the option use the contact form. Now if you click the submit a request using contact form link, it will then take you to this page. Submit a request. So you put in your email address, your Thinkific site URL, your subject, and the description of your problem. If you have additional attachments, you could use this option right here to drag or click on it to select it from your local file folder. Now, once you're done with everything, of course, you want to cross-check what you've written to make sure there are no mistakes and your request is clear enough. So once you're done with that, you could go ahead and click on submit. And you'll be getting a feedback or response from Thinkific support. Don't forget that we have the link to Thinkific in the description below so you can get a head start after this video. Do let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.